Namaste. Today we are going to talk about the Sat-chid-ananda Breath. Sat-chid-ananda is a well-known concept, idea in Sanatan Dharma, in Hindu philosophy. Sat, truth, chid, awareness, anand, bliss. So to be in the state of Sat-chid-anand, Sat-chid-anand, in a way exemplifies the highest state that one can be at. The experience of Ananda as truth, the awareness of Ananda as truth. So effectively that means to be in a blissful state. And to be in this blissful state, even your breath can help you. There are many paths, there are many ways that go there. But the breath is probably among the easiest or the most effective part.